Hey guys, how y'all doing today? I wanted to bring you along today as I'm going to be rendering lard. I know a lot of you are really confused as I was about, the best things to cook in, cooking oils, things like that. Some of the new information that's coming out is that seed oils, things like canola oils, corn oil, vegetable oils, those are not as healthy for you because they're really seriously over processed. So things like tallow, lard, ghee, butter, coconut oil, they're finding are a lot more healthy fats for you. So I'm going to render some lard today. We've got fat from a pig that we had butchered this summer. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy. One of the first things today that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grind up all of my fat that I have. I've got a big industrial grinder or commercial grinder that Jim and I bought for doing our dog's food as well as grinding food for ourselves. So I've got that all set up. I've got a big tub that it's all going to go into, and then once I get it all cooked or cut up, then it's all going to go into these two pots, and I will show you that process. So let's go ahead and get stuff cut up. I've got our fat all ready to go into the grinder. It actually might be just a little bit too warm. You're supposed to have it a little bit colder. I think it thawed out a bit too much, but we'll see how this goes. All right, so I got everything ground up. It looks like that. Probably would have done a little bit better again if it was a little bit colder, but it went through pretty well. So, and then here's what I did. I have that little bit and get it started, and watch it like super carefully, and then you go low and slow. So that's what I'm gonna do, and if I've got any overflow, any extra, then I'm gonna move over into my Lodge pot. So, but we'll hang out. I think I can get most of it in this one, and we'll see how it goes. So right now everything is bubbling along. I was able to get all the fat into my one pot. I'm doing low and slow, and as you can see, it's bubbling really, really well. What we're gonna look for is when all the big bubbles stop and it's just little bubbles. So that could take anywhere half hour, 45 minutes, something like that. But we're gonna stay right here and stir it occasionally so that it doesn't burn. Well, here's the final results. It turned out pretty good. Can't wait to use them to cook up with our eggs tomorrow morning. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye.